When you first visit Blue Cross Blue Shield's official website, the design is straightforward but not particularly modern. The homepage highlights health coverage plans, member login, and tools to find doctors or hospitals within the network. While the layout is functional, it can feel overwhelming due to the number of sections, tabs, and drop-down menus, especially for someone new to health insurance websites. The navigation requires some patience, but everything important can be found with enough clicks. The site places strong emphasis on its provider network search tool. This tool allows you to look up doctors, specialists, and hospitals covered by Blue Cross Blue Shield plans. The search itself works reliably, but the filtering system is not always intuitive. Sometimes it feels like you have to refine your search multiple times to get useful results. For someone trying to quickly find an in-network doctor, this can be frustrating. When exploring insurance plan options, Blue Cross Blue Shield presents details about health, dental, vision, and Medicare-related coverage. The descriptions are clear but not always easy to compare side by side. The website uses a lot of insurance terminology, which could be confusing for first-time users. There are informational articles and FAQs available, but they tend to redirect to multiple new pages instead of presenting all the necessary details in one place. Managing your account as a member requires signing in. The portal gives access to claims, billing, and digital ID cards. While the functionality is solid, users often report that the interface feels outdated and occasionally slow. Claims history is visible, but sometimes details are not displayed in plain language, leaving members unsure of what was covered and what they still owe. Many useful links you can find in the description. Customer support is another area that stands out. The website offers phone numbers, a help center, and sometimes live chat depending on your region. However, reaching a real person quickly can be difficult. Some users report being transferred multiple times before finding someone who can answer specific questions about claims or coverage. On the positive side, Blue Cross Blue Shield does offer broad coverage across the United States, and the website reflects that with local branch links depending on your state. This decentralized approach can be both a strength and a weakness. On one hand, it ensures state-specific information. On the other hand, it creates inconsistency in user experience since each local BCBS site may look and function slightly differently. The website also emphasizes preventative care resources, wellness programs, and tools for estimating care costs. These features are valuable for members who want to budget medical expenses. However, cost estimators are not always accurate, especially if your provider applies additional fees. This can lead to unexpected out-of-pocket expenses even if the tool initially showed a lower cost estimate. One area where the website could improve is mobile usability. While it is mobile-friendly, the experience feels less polished compared to other major health insurers. Buttons and text sometimes appear cramped, and navigation through multiple pages can feel slower on a phone. For members who prefer managing their health insurance digitally, this can be inconvenient. Overall, my experience with Blue Cross Blue Shield's website and insurance services is mixed. The strengths are clear: a large provider network, strong nationwide presence, and access to essential tools like claims management and provider searches. However, the weaknesses, such as outdated interface design, inconsistent plan explanations, and occasional difficulties with support, make the experience less smooth than it could be. If you are considering Blue Cross Blue Shield, be prepared for a learning curve when navigating the website and interpreting coverage details. The service itself is reliable once you understand how to use the tools provided, but the initial setup and research phase may be time-consuming. Thank you for watching this review of Blue Cross Blue Shield. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so more people can benefit from this honest review.